Making money online is not difficult. It is way more easier than we can even think or imagine. The problem is that many of us are not just informed. Even the Bible said that my people perish for lack of knowledge. So you see, the right information has not really gotten to you. If not, making money online is one of the easiest things you can even think of. Okay, if you're interested to know how I moved from having zero naira in my account and even being in debt to moving to having over 1 million naira in a space of just 2 months, from the comfort of my home with my mobile phone and just some skills, 1 or 2 skills, then this message is for you. If you really want to make money online, still from the comfort of your home with your phone and nothing added, just your phone, some few apps and some skills that you will learn from me, then comment I'm interested or anything. Or you can even reach out to me on my DM, on my WhatsApp number that is shown on my bio, or come to my DM. Anyway, but if you really want to make money online, then I've got you. What you need to do is follow this account or subscribe to this account, depending on the platform you're watching me from. Follow me, like the video, then share to 2 or 3 friends. Then let's meet in my DM.